Hi, I'm Aaron Scott, your host here at Smart Money Insights. We're all about smarter moves for a wealthier future. Let's get started. Ever wonder where your money goes each month? If budgeting feels overwhelming, the 50-30-20 rule might be the simple solution you've been looking for. First, figure out your after-tax income. That's your take-home pay. Then split it into 3 buckets. 50% for needs. This covers essentials like housing, groceries, transportation, insurance, and minimum debt payments, the things you literally can't live without. 30% for wants. This is for things that improve your lifestyle, dining out, streaming services, shopping, and hobbies. If you could technically live without it, it probably goes here. 20% for savings and debt repayment. Use this slice to build an emergency fund, pay extra toward debt, or save for long-term goals like retirement or a down payment. Automation helps make this category stick. The beauty of this rule is that it's flexible. If your needs are higher because of where you live or your debt load, adjust the percentages. It's a framework, not a fixed law. Budgeting doesn't have to be complicated. The 50-30-20 rule gives you a clear starting point to take control of your money and build toward your future. For more Smart Money Insights, subscribe now and take the next step toward financial confidence.